Welcome to Stickman Vinyls Sticker Guide series. Here's what's in your pack. To prepare your stickers, cut the stickers individually and trim as closely to the colored stickers as possible. To begin, attach a strip of masking tape across the middle of the rim to mark the starting point for both sides of the rim lip. Do note that the tapered end of the stickers are the front and the thicker end are the tails of the strip. This will match the rolling direction of the tires. Start by peeling 1 inch off the sticker. Be careful not to remove too much of the backing paper. Then, align the bottom of the sticker strip with the edge of the rim lip according to your marked tape. Lightly affix the sticker to the rim lip. If you make a mistake with the alignment, carefully remove the sticker and realign. Then, use a cloth to firmly press the sticker in and use a squiggy to further set it. Next, carefully remove the transfer tape. For the next strip, estimate a 3 mm overlap. To complete the sticking process, fix the Protect ORS to prevent the sharp ends of the sticker from peeling. Peel away the clear film from the backing paper and attach it over the sharp and fine areas of the sticker. Press the Protect ORS in, then use a squiggy to set it. These are the other areas that you will need to fix the Protect ORS. For the opposite side of the rim, begin here. Repeat the steps from the beginning to attach the following strips.